We will talk about a few of the best cleaning kits for laptop for MacBooks in this video.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have Ordilend Laptop Cleaning Kit. A comprehensive variety of instruments made to satisfy different cleaning needs is provided by the Ordilend Laptop Cleaning Kit. A retractable large brush, 2 polishing cleaning cloths, a keycap puller, a metal pen tip, flocking sponge, a thin soft brush, a soft plastic lens cleaning pen, 5 replacement cloths, and a large cleaning microfiber cloth are among the many accessories included with the MacBook Cleaning Kit computer screen cleaner. You deserve the affordable, all-inclusive computer cleaning kit keyboard vacuum. The keycaps of mechanical and gaming keyboards can be removed using the laptop screen cleaning keyboard cleaner. You can carry the keyboard cleaner kit with you everywhere you go because of its small size. You can keep one in your backpack, in your car, or in a drawer. With just a single swipe, this keyboard cleaner kit can clean both your keyboard and electronic screen. Using our recyclable cleaning spray and a 2mm thick, widening, polishing cloth angled at a right angle to better fit computer screen corners, the MacBook Laptop Cleaner Kit efficiently removes tough stains and leaves screens free of discoloration, streaks, and fiber shedding. Users like how easy and secure laptop repair is with the Ordilend kit, which they believe to be very user-friendly. The cleaning solution is especially commended for being both effective and kind to delicate parts. On number 2, we have Tassmiptor Laptop Cleaning Kit. For customers who are frequently on the go, the Tassmiptor Laptop Cleaning Kit excels at providing a portable and effective laptop cleaning solution. No matter where you are, your laptop will stay immaculate thanks to this kit's careful design, which includes all the necessities. Laptops and keyboards may be cleaned with a retractable, moderately soft and hard brush. The tiny high-density brush is ideal for thorough cleaning between flat laptop keys, and the metal pin tip can be used to gently remove any stains between keys and the laptop hinge. Use the 2mm thicker and wider polishing cloth, which is angled to better suit the 4 corners of computer displays and leaves no streaks, discoloration, or fiber shedding on the screens. Superior microfiber towels are incredibly soft and long-lasting. Use a cheek screen cleaner set to avoid harming the screen of your pricey new laptop or phone. It is straightforward to carry the kit with you wherever you go because all of these parts are neatly packed in a suitable travel bag. Because the container is small enough to fit into a backpack or laptop bag, you can always reach your cleaning supplies when you need them. Because of this, the Tassmiptor kit is a great option for professionals, students, and tourists alike. On number 3, we have Vichyie Laptop Cleaning Kit. The Vichyie Laptop Cleaning Kit offers a brand new method for maintaining a pristine laptop. The cleaning pen with metal tip, sponge brush, small soft brush, round brush, keyboard brush, keycap puller, switch puller, spray bottle, fiber fleece swipe, air blower with long and short nozzles, lens cleaning pen with soft pad, hard bristle brush, soft bristle brush, and card remover are all included in the electronic cleaning kit. Laptops, keyboards, headphones, displays, phones, and other devices may all be effectively cleaned with the cleaner kit. The keycap puller and switch puller make it simple to remove parts, and the high-density keyboard cleaning brush, with its somewhat softer bristles, can effectively remove surface dust from the keyboard. Before replacing the keyboard's components, you can use the black hard bristle brush to perform a more thorough cleaning. A laptop keyboard cleanup kit can be used with a wide range of small electronics. It is portable due to its well-sealed cover and integrated design. On the desktop, it appears compact and tidy, making it more practical for everyday usage. So these are some of the best cleaning kits to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.